and welcome to part 3 of my Viral Loop 2.0 demo series. This is likely going to be the final part. I'm trying to speak quietly today because it is after hours. I'm in my bedroom and my wife, who is expecting our first child, is asleep at this time. So anyways, what you are looking at right now is the Viral Loop WordPress theme and my test website that we've been building along the way. Now, since the last update, I've kind of gone through the settings, which are right here. Okay, simply these settings down here. When you click each one, it expands. You can choose your layout, your logo. As you can see, I just took the logo from my money site, being that this is just a test website, and everything fit in very nicely. I used the slider plugin that it recommends. Let's see, enable social icons. So basically, I just filled it out so it could look like a real website instead of this big empty canvas. I've also used the advertising space to throw in these Viral Loop ads as well, in case any of you happen to arrive at this page. I had to make sure I was recording there. Then you could click one of these and you would be able to purchase Viral Loop and get my exclusive bonuses as well. You can get my bonuses if you click any of my links to Viral Loop, whether it's these ads on the page or probably the most convenient would be directly below this video, where I have a direct link to a sales page, but it is my link. And since it is my link, that gives you access to my bonuses. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of show you how I've been playing around with it. And it's turned into quite a nice website, and I'm not even really trying here. Hold on one second. Yeah, so sorry about the noise there. We have a train passing by late at night, and it's a warm night, so I have the window open. Anyways, I'm not sure if that part's going to get edited out of the video or not, but there you have it. So in this final video, I wanted to go over the Cleverbot. Now, one of the reasons that I'm doing the Cleverbot in a separate video is because this is the OTO, it is the upsell, which means it does not come with the front-end version of Viral Loop. It's something, you would have to purchase the upgrade, and I believe it's cheap. If you click my link, I will get you the cheapest price on the front end and all the upgrades guaranteed at any given time. But basically, this is just giving you, so it's not giving you any functionality that you didn't have before, but since it is a bot, you are getting automation, basically all it is. So it's going to be, instead of you coming in here like we did in the first couple videos, Viral Post Creator, coming in and clicking what type of post you want to make and filling it out, and you can watch my first 2 videos to see all that. I'm not going to repeat it. I don't want to waste anyone's time if you have seen those 2 videos already. But instead of doing that, you would just have the bot do it for you. So now I'll show you how to use the bot. And some of you may feel like, for the price, it's worth it to have that automation. And the more time you save, obviously time is money, so the more time you save, the more you can do other things that may be important for your online business. So kind of watched the tutorial myself. I believe there's a link to it. Where is that link? Sorry about these system resources pop-ups that I'm getting, but there is a, let me see, maybe I missed it here. Let's go back. So there is a video tutorial right there. Now if you bring it up, you can see step by step. It's only 7 minutes, and they'll show you exactly how to use this. And that's actually what I took notes on before I did this video. Okay, so got my notes right in front of me, and we're gonna go through. It's basically straightforward. We probably don't even need the notes because prompts for what we need to do. For example, name your clever bot. That's straightforward enough. Now you're going to select your media type. Now, just like creating a regular post, you get to choose between images, videos, audios, and products. Alright, so let's go ahead and stay with products. Now this, when we do products, by the way, this is getting products from Amazon, and it automatically integrates your Amazon affiliate ID, so any sale that is made on your website is credited to your affiliate account. You make money for it, which is a really cool feature. That's one reason I am often inclined to choose products, especially if moving forward I create a website of my own with Viral Loop. I would probably do something in which I could directly make money from it. And of course, no matter what you do, whether it's images, videos, audios, or products, you can make money with this, obviously, because anytime you're getting viral traffic, that can be monetized. But products to me is something that I'm familiar with as an affiliate marketer, so it's kind of, and it's a direct approach to getting your commissions. So we're going to put in the same keyword of PlayStation VR. Alright, and then here, titles. Now, the reason we're giving it titles is because each post is basically a list, and within the list, we're going to have multiple products or multiple videos or images or whatever. So we need to give this unique titles, otherwise we're going to have the same post again and again. Now in this case, since we're doing a demo, I'm just going to give it a very generic name, PlayStation VR. Sorry about this one again. We're going to call it PlayStation VR Products number 1. And then we're going to add another one. This one's going to be product number 2. Add another for number 3. We'll add 2 more for 4 and 5. Obviously, if we were creating a real website, we wouldn't be that generic, but for our purposes, that's just fine. And the number of posts we want to have is going to be 5. Alright. Now here you can have your affiliate offer description, since we chose products. Alright, now this is something that you can pull from another website. You could write it out yourself. You can do whatever you want. Here's what I'll do. I'll go and grab a description of the PlayStation VR from Amazon's website. And what you enter here, by the way, is not going to be set in stone. And I'll show you why, or I'll explain that when we get to that part. But basically what I'm going to do here is copy this breakdown. And every time I see this, I just would love to have this. I want to get it sooner or later. I think you can get it for as little as $400 right now. Actually, I'm going to get this product description here. So hopefully I can raise enough money on my own. I do have a kid on the way, so I have to be smart with my spending. I'm trying to anyways. Alright, so there's a product description, and you can format this just like any WordPress post. We can use header tags, we can put things in bold. Alright, whatever you want to do, you could go straight to the code and modify that. Alright, now user, if we had different users here, you would see a much longer list. Because remember, Viral Loop 2.0 is a theme that builds a website in which visitors can actually create their own accounts on your website and interact with it and create their own posts. Okay, that's part of the whole purpose behind this viral theme. Alright, but for me, I only have myself because this is a test theme and I've only been using it with you guys. But basically, this would let us choose which users have access to it and whatnot. Okay, the category, we created categories in video number 2. This would of course go in the PlayStation VR category that we created. Now this is really cool. Okay, we have the option to post every X number of hours or days. So I could tell it here I want to post every, let's say, 2 hours. And what I'm going to do at the very end of this video, since it's almost time to go to bed, so for me, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this, and then at the very end of this video we're going to revisit and see if the bot actually posted every 2 hours like it said it was going to, and we're going to see what those posts look like. Here we can enable or disable the content spin rewriter, which is a built-in content spinner which comes with Viral Loop 2.0. Now, I'm going to leave that disabled for now, but what I am going to enable is this. So here's what I was talking about earlier as far as things do not need to be set in stone. What I meant by that is you can have Viral Loop, this bot within Viral Loop, you can have it automatically publish these new posts to your website so they're live, or you can have them publish only as a draft, which means only you will see them until you approve them and publish them to for the public's ability to view it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, since this is my first time running the bot, I want to publish them as a draft to make sure everything's good. I don't want to just give the bot the go-ahead to put it all out there for the public to see. Just in case, this is my first time running the bot, I want to make sure everything's okay. So with that said, that's as simple as it is to set up, and from there we can go ahead and click Add New Campaign, and you can see that it's created the campaign here. We can edit the settings, and here's basically the breakdown of it. We're going to be making 5 posts, so it's 1 post per every 2 hours, and it's completely hands-free. So that's pretty awesome. Again, some people might want to do it manually. Some people might, you could, for instance, have 100 posts scheduled out for the bot to create over a month or so, or however long you want, and basically the bot can run your entire site and keep it updated on a regular basis. So it's entirely up to you. This might be helpful for some people, and for others it might not really be needed or necessary. So that is actually about it for the Viral Loop 2.0 training. However, as I mentioned, we are going to revisit this and make sure that it indeed made these 5 posts. I'm going to get up tomorrow morning before I officially close out this video, but actually what I'm going to do is create a follow-up video tomorrow morning, because I definitely tomorrow morning is when Viral Loop 2.0 is launched. I'm doing this video on the 26th of October, and it's coming out on the 27th. So what I'm going to do is actually publish this, and then I'm going to have a fourth, and that will be the 4th video, and that will be the final video. And in that video, we're just going to make sure that we got our 5 posts, and that's it. We'll wrap it up from there. Let's just see if it made any initial post, just out of curiosity here. It does not look like it did, so we would know because we told it to post as draft. So at some point it should execute that, the first post. Let's just take a quick look at it one more time, make sure that it looks right. Okay, so yeah, 5 posts, and we're telling it to do every 2 hours. Okay, so we'll follow up that in a separate video. And for now, I just want to remind you once again that you can also check out my other 2 videos to see everything, my entire Viral Loop 2.0 review and demo from start to finish. You can cover all of this stuff here, and that allowed me to build up this demo website, this test website. Basically built that with you guys. So that will do it, and once again, below this video I'm going to have a link to a Viral Loop 2.0 discount and my exclusive bonus. They are also offering their own bonus, which everyone gets, but my exclusive bonus consists of 30 products or so. I think it's about 30, or close to it. All of these products are modern, they're relevant right now, they were all released in 2016. I'm able to give them to you because I've purchased a license to distribute these products. And so I'm sure I have a really good variety, so everyone will find something that would help them out in this family of products that I'm giving away. So please do keep that in mind. Most of all, I just appreciate your support. If you decide to purchase Viral Loop 2.0 and go through my link, I truly appreciate that. And I would also appreciate it if you enjoyed this demo, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to have more demos on the way, as I've been doing for well over a year now. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the follow-up video, which will be tomorrow on the Viral Loop 2.0 launch day. Take care.